Good evening, students. Today I am going to discuss about the new topic, surface area and volume. That is your 13.1, 13.2 and 13.3. We cover the three chapters. Clear? So, also to discuss about the conversion of one of the solid to another solid. Clear? So first, you write down the formula one by one. So take one cube of side A. So what is the lateral surface area? The lateral surface area of the cube is equal to 4 into side square. It means this is your lateral surface area. This face, this face, this face, and this face. There is 4 faces there. Okay. So if the side length is A, then one face area is here a square. So there is 4 sides. That is 4 into a square. Similarly, total surface area. You have to count the 6 faces. So total surface area equal to 6 into side square. That is a square. Volume. Length, breadth into height. Here the length is A, breadth is A, and height also A. So A into A into A gives you AC. So this is all the formula of a cube. Similarly, second one here, cuboid. Most common example is your bricks. Here is the length, it is your breadth, it is your height. So L is your length, it is your breadth, and it is your height. Already described here. Lateral surface area. Again, you take the 4 faces. That is this one, this one, this one, and this one. Clear? So lateral surface area equal to 2 into H L plus B. Total surface area 2 into length breadth plus breadth height plus height length. Volume, length into breadth into height. Okay. So this is all about your cube and cuboid. Proceed to next. Next your cylinder. So it is right circular cylinder of radius R. It is your base. The height of the cylinder is H. So base area, it is circular base. It is equal to your pi r square. So the right circular cylinder, right circular cylinder are the radius and height of the cylinder. Already described this. So to count or calculate the base area is equal to pi r square. It is just a circle. Second one, your lateral surface area, this part. Lateral surface area. Or it is sometimes called as curved surface area also. This is your 2 pi r into h. Similarly, total surface area. You have to count the top face, that is pi r square. The bottom is also pi r square. It is your 2 pi r h. So pi r square, 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Taking common 2 pi r, that is r plus h. So this is simply TSC, shortcut. TSC. It means total surface area. CSA means curved surface area. So you have to remember all the formula. Okay. Now you get volume. Volume of the cylinder. It is your pi r square h. Okay. It is your volume of the cylinder. Pi r square into height. Now cone. It is your cone having radius r. It is your vertical height h. It is slant height L. It is your 90 degrees. So R is your radius, L slant height, and H your vertical height. Here to calculate the slant height, it is L, it is 90 degrees, it is R, it is L. So L is equal to S square plus R square root over. Now base area. It is a circular face, so it is pi r square. Now curved surface area, CSA, curved surface area. This part, this is your pi r into L, pi r L. The fourth one is total surface area. It means CSA. Pi r square, it is pi r L. It is pi r square. So pi r square plus pi r L, it means pi r common, it is r plus L. Okay. Now come to volume. Volume of the cone equal to 1/3 the volume of the your cylinder. Okay. Next is your sphere. Sphere. All are your 3D body, 3-dimensional solid. Sphere. The spherical ball. The common example is spherical ball. The radius r. It is also r. R radius. So total surface area, which is 4 pi r square. Volume 4/3 pi r cube. PSA stands for total surface area. This is all about your sphere. Now hemisphere. The half of the sphere is called as hemisphere. It is R, it is also R. R radius. So curved surface area, it is your 2 pi r square, and top surface area is pi r square. It is your 2 pi r square. Total surface area. is the TSA, short form TSA, 2 pi r square plus pi r square. 2 pi r square plus pi r square, that is your 3 pi r square. Now volume. Volume of the hemisphere is equal to half of the volume of the sphere. It means that is your 2 by 3 L. This is all about your formula of the solid body. Your tube, cuboid, sphere, hemisphere, cylinder and cone. Take one example to calculate the total surface area. It is a cylinder. I mean cylindrical wood. It is hollow out with a V shape. The radius of the cylinder is 0.7 centimeter. The height of the cylindrical wood is 2.4 centimeter. So this part is hollow out. So now calculate the total surface area after hollow out. So look here, to calculate the total surface area, first write down the dimension. For cylinder it is R is equal to 0.7 centimeter, height of the cylinder 2.4 centimeter. For conical part, it is having the same radius like your cylindrical part. So R also 0.7 centimeter. Height of the conical part, it is also 2.4 centimeter. It is a vertical height. So H is equal to 2.4 centimeter. So what is the slant height? L is equal to S square plus R square root over. It is 2.4 square, 0.7 whole square. So it is your 5.76. It is your 0.49. It is 625. It means 2.5 centimeter. To calculate the total surface area after hollow out in a V shape, total surface area is equal to, you take the base area, it is pi r square, curved surface area of the cylindrical part 2 pi r h, and your conical part is pi r l. So pi r square 2 pi r h pi r l. Taking pi r common, that is your r, that is 2h l. 22 by 7, 0.7. 0.7 into 2.4, L is your 2.5. After solving this equation, the total value is 17.6 centimeter square. So total surface area of the remaining solid is your 17.6 centimeter square. Now take another example of combining solid. cylinder, two hemispherical shape. Here scooping, that is, it is inside the cylinder. At the both end. Here, to find the total surface area of this commanding body. Here, the total height is given as your 10 centimeter and the radius is given as 3.5 centimeter. So how to solve this problem? You have to add the lateral surface area of the cylindrical part and the lateral surface area of the hemispherical part. Here, the two hemisphere here, after combining, it becomes a sphere. After combining, it became a sphere. So this area is your 4 pi r square. It is two hemisphere. So for a cylinder, r is equal to 3.5 centimeter, height is 10 centimeter. For hemisphere, the radius is 3.5 centimeter. Hemisphere are also 3.5 centimeter. It means here, this is your 3.5 centimeter. The total surface area of the given figure A is equal to the surface area of the hemispherical part, that is two hemispherical part means 2 into 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. It is your 2 pi r h. It is your 2 pi r square. It is also 2 pi r square. So 4 pi r square 2 pi r h. A common 2 pi r common 2r plus h. 2 22 by 7 3.5 2 into 3.5 plus h is your 10. After solving, this value became 22, it is your 17, this value 17 into 17, it is 0.5. Okay. So, this value became your 374. Total surface area, TSA. In this way, we try to solve more problems at home, and tomorrow we'll discuss your more problems based on your combining body. And if any doubt, you ask me tomorrow at 9 a.m.